out of parents using these tools because they're very dangerous. Right, Grandma?
Yes.
Welcome to Ellen and Grandma's crafting time. Today we're making a low-style birdhouse. And Grandma got it special because she works there.
Yep. So, we have these little wood pieces.
And this plastic
Yep.
piece.
So we're going to open our instructions. And, oh look, we got pretty stickers.
When I was little, I said instructions.
So usually we use a hammer because we have these little nails. But we can't find the hammer today. So,
oh, and it came with a
we're using the hot glue gun today.
Quick try.
Yeah. So number one, we are going to have our little.
Wait, we gotta put the stickers on.
Yeah, and find our little flowers. So we're going to take this section, put the flowers on it. Yep.
I'm not good at stickering.
Just line up the humps. Yeah. There you go. Okay. Yeah. So now these little flowers are going to go in these spots here. See right there?
Yep.
Yes. So that's where we're going to hot glue gun those. Right there. Here. And
when it's dry, we're going to put stickers on the flowers. So then they're just...
all right. There we go. We got our flowers on.
Wow. Which color do you want to pick for a flower?
I like the pink and the purple.
Ooh, those
yeah,
are
the pink
ones
and the
that
purple I like.
Choose. Okay.
So number 2 is C, which has a little groove on it. C has a little groove. And we're going to glue that to one side. Right here. We're going to glue it right here.
Boom, 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 boom.
All right.
Make sure this is up.
We're going to have to hold it for a few minutes.
Yeah.
All right, what's number 3? Number 3 is the other side. Yep. Ooh, we got a fly in here.
Liar.
Got a fly in the house. Okay. There you go. You're going to hold this one. Okay.
You should go to Lowe's because they have all of these and they come with these little badges.
Yep. Usually you can find these projects in the hardware department.
Yeah.
They have race cars, boats, a birdhouse. There's a birdhouse.
And for Christmas, we got a cute Christmas tree that we made and a cute gingerbread house that we made.
Yep.
They are fun.
They were fun.
Oh, and all of them come with nails.
Like I said, if you have a hammer, it works fine.
So
all
now
right,
we're hot gluing the bottom.
Yep, so now we're going to hot glue the bottom on.
Oh, Grandma, why did you glue it over that spot? That's where this goes.
Oh, yeah.
Why did you do that for me?
I didn't mean to. Oops, okay.
Oops.
All right. There we go.
Okay.
This is such a simple little project. You're going to slide that right down in there. All right, so now.
Here it is.
Cute, simple little project.
Easy, quick.
Yeah. Takes a little longer when you're using nails. Hot glue gun went pretty fast. So now this is our bird feeder. We'll fill this with some bird seed. We got a couple extra stickers that we can put on.
This side.
Yeah, put on the side.
I'm gonna put this little flower and roots on this side. Flip it to the other
that
side.
looks pretty. There's that side.
There's this piece that I'm gonna. Now
There's that side.
Front.
You're gonna put it right on the glass.
Like
the flowers.
The little flowers in the corner.
And we got little leaves too.
Yeah, I like doing this.
Okay. There we go.
I'm gonna do these corners.
Okay.
So I'm putting these cute little leaves side. And
How's that looking?
good. Wait, one more
We have our sides.
flower. I'm gonna put here.
In the middle.
Yep.
Okay, we got one more leaf.
One more leaf.
One more leaf.
Okay, go ahead and you pick where to put it. So you can sew these little patches on and
We have an
Watch
apron and put all
And
our
watch
patches
out.
on the
back,
apron.
there's a warning sign.
There we go. Quick, easy, fun project.
And it
I'm
comes with
sure
that
the
bag.
birds will love this once we put some bird seed in this.
And every craft comes with a badge.
Yep. So, if you liked our project today, quick and easy project, give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week. Bye.